Here we are live. Hello YouTube.
Hi.
It is Christmas Eve, and for the first time ever, I'm really excited because I'm doing a video collaboration with another vlogger.
Yay!
So I want to introduce her to you guys, or let her introduce herself, and she can tell you all about her and her channel and what that's all about. And then later we are going to try some of this very awesome and interesting food here. We are in Huaxi St. That's a video that I've done before about the prostitution in the gangster area of old Taipei.
Right, definitely watch that.
Yeah, definitely. There'll be links to that, so don't worry about that. But without further ado, let's interview and then we'll try the food. So.
Okay. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thank you for coming. So where are you coming from?
I'm from Macau.
Okay.
So I just recently started vlogging.
Oh yeah,
So
that was going to be another question.
Right.
Like when exactly did you start becoming a vlogger?
It actually started just this year, June actually, right?
Wow, very new.
When my boyfriend and I came over to visit Taiwan. And we started.
Taiwan does amazing things, doesn't it?
Taiwan is amazing. We actually started just creating Instagram videos. I don't know if you know how long videos can last on Instagram, but it's just 1 minute.
Oh wow, okay.
Right.
So very different platform.
A different platform. It was really tough. It was just too limited. Wanted to create more. So that's when it started off from Taiwan, and then we started creating videos that we had in Japan.
Awesome,
Right.
okay. So for everybody, what is the proper name, proper title of your channel?
Right. Our YouTube channel is Eat, Live the World. Eat,
Awesome.
Live the World. It's actually an idea of my boyfriend. And basically, eat adventurously, live your life, and explore the world.
Awesome.
Right.
Who doesn't love that, right? That's really cool. So you're only half of the channel, right?
Right.
Your boyfriend plays the other role.
Right.
And then, so where is he right now? Just because people are probably curious, like, where's the other guy?
Right. My boyfriend right now he's a chef. He works as a chef in Macau. So basically, he doesn't have his off day right now. So I'm here with my mom. She's here with me.
Too. Off camera, but she's here.
Right, my mom's
She's
here.
You can pop in real
Okay.
quick. Hello.
You just
Got her
saw
eyeball.
a sneak peek of
Okay.
my yeah. So basically, my boyfriend works as a chef. So we have this channel together. Unfortunately, he's not here to be with us right now.
All right, still very interesting though. And a little tidbit: her boyfriend is actually Portuguese, right? From Portugal.
Right. He is from Portugal, the northern part of Portugal, which is Braga.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so that fits in with Macau, right?
Right.
I think. Cool. So I think probably last question. At this point, even though it's really early in your channel's life, what is your best video, or what's the one that you're the most proud of? What do you really love?
Ooh, the video.
It's a hard question, isn't it?
It
It's
is.
a
It is.
difficult question.
You got me thinking now. Wait.
And it'll change in the future, I'm sure. But give it your best shot. What do you think?
Probably it would be the video about Kobe beef in Japan.
Oh, I saw that one.
Right.
That was the teppanyaki with the Kobe beef.
Right, the
Is that right?
teppanyaki and the Kobe beef, right.
That looked delicious, by the way.
I was happy about the whole editing of it because people were telling me how it seemed like it was like a food channel show going on.
Yeah. Your channel seems really food focused. Is that right?
We're trying to venture into other areas, but right now it's more food focused, right?
Yeah. All right. So in the
Right.
future that'll change, but at the moment I think it's mostly about food, right?
Right, and
Okay.
editing style probably not just vlogging, more like vlogumentary kind. Have
Okay.
you heard about that term? Vlogumentary.
Yeah, I think that's kind of what I try to do.
Right.
Is I'll take you somewhere and I'll give you some history and I'll try to teach you about it at the same time that I'm showing it to you and showing you my personal experience.
Exactly, right.
Right.
It's creating more value to
Yeah.
the video, not just vlogging
They
about
want
your
to
daily
learn
life.
something at the same time that they're being entertained, I think.
Exactly,
Right. So I think, that's exactly what it is. So.
Right.
All right, guys, cool. I hope you like that introduction. I hope that you'll check out her channel. All the links are going to be down there in the description box below. And so now let's get into some of this food. It's going to be good, and I want to see what her reaction is going to be.
See ya.
So here we go. Now, Clarisse is going to try this interesting bit of food that we've got here from the night market area of Huaxi St. So one by one, This is, here, can they see that? This is called 3-cup frog. So what they did was they took a frog, they chopped it up, and they cooked it with 3 cups. I think there's soy sauce and some other sauces in there. And they also have basil in there as well. And it's very, very good. I've had it before. I have a cooking video all about TNG, cooking frog, and now I want her to try it right now.
Okay, I don't know how to feel about it.
Have you ever tried this before?
I've never tried frog.
Never. First time ever.
Never.
Okay, here we go. Go for it.
They call it TMG. I have no idea.
TNG. So
TNG.
it's field chicken. The 2 characters, they mean
Okay.
field chicken. So go for it. Let's see what happens.
It smells strong.
Does it smell good?
It's all right.
Okay. All right, give it a go. Don't be scared.
It does taste like chicken.
I told you, right?
No,
I told you it
good.
tastes like chicken. Is it good though?
It's pretty good.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Here's the surprise. Frogs have bones. There's bones in there, right? Were you expecting that?
I actually thought it would be boneless, probably.
No, sorry. Look, if you're gonna eat frog, you gotta deal with the bones. So there's a little spitting involved.
It's pretty good. Probably I'd eat it again as
Okay.
long as I don't know it's frog.
All right, so here we go, guys. This is dish number 2, and these are sweet potato leaves. So let's give it a try.
I just told Brian just now that I'm not a vegetable person. I don't like eating vegetables.
Oh, but they're good for you, and I hope you'll like this. Have an open mind.
Sweet potato leaves?
That's right. When they're growing the sweet potato, they'll cut the leaves, and then they'll cook them like that.
I think I've eaten this before.
Yeah?
They're not my favorite.
Okay, well, we'll see. Give it a try. Give it a try. You so?
It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
It's not terrible.
Okay.
Doable, eatable.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Would you eat it again?
Probably, right. It's not that terrible.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right. As vegetables
Sweet
go.
potato leaves.
Sweet potato leaves. That's right. Sweet potato leaves.
All right, so how was this prepared?
This, I think they just took the fish and basically left it as it is. This is a smaller fish. I'm pretty sure it's an ocean fish. And it looks like they just braised it with some green onion and some ginger. I see ginger in there.
Right.
And it looks like they have black beans right there. I think those are black beans. So we'll see how that goes. It's a white fish, by the way.
What's this? This is actually my mom's order.
Yeah. Here we go. Give it a shot. See if mom made a good choice.
Oh, there are lots of like fish bones. Okay.
Yeah, be careful be careful about the bones. In there.
Okay, the black beans. I'll try the black beans, the fish.
All in one bite.
Yep.
All right, let's see what happens.
No.
Oops. Uh-oh, is that a bone?
No, this is the frog bone.
Oh, it's a frog
no.
bone. Try again. One more time.
This has a pretty sweet taste to it.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's kind of sweet. I'm
It's
not
a little
sure.
sweet?
Right? No? It's kind of
Like
sweet.
coming from the beans, or
It's coming from the beans.
okay, all right.
I'm not sure.
So a little sweetness from the
I'm
beans.
not the best person to actually describe the food.
How about the meat of the fish though? How is that?
It's pretty good. It's just that it's really bony. There's too many
Okay,
bones.
well, that's just something you kind of have to deal with. Like fish just come with a lot of bones sometimes, right?
Yeah. Let me try it again.
Hopefully it's still good though.
It is good. Nothing like wow.
Okay,
Nothing
so it's
too
not
much, right?
amazing,
Mhm.
but like it's not horrible either,
It's
right?
not horrible.
Would you eat it again?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, all right. Well, there we go. So here we go, guys. This is it. This is dish number 4, and what we just have here is some shrimps. They are still in their shells. They still have their heads on, and they've been stir fried. And it looks like it's just garlic and green onions. So let her give that a try.
Let's see. Okay.
That should be good. Shrimp are always good.
Shrimps are always good.
Yeah,
Who
definitely.
doesn't love shrimp?
I love shrimp. So.
I'm just gonna put the whole thing in.
Yeah, there's shell on there. Are you sure? Don't pick that shell off.
We
sure about it? Okay, go for it. Go for it.
Okay.
Go ahead. Is it really, really good?
It's really good.
Yeah, honestly,
it's my
good?
favorite. Yeah.
Really?
I love how
So
it's
out of
really
all
crunchy.
of these, that's the best?
Probably because I'm used to eating shrimp.
Okay. So you eat shrimp in Macau too? Yeah. Okay.
Frogs. What's this? TMG?
TNG, that's
It's not
right.
that bad. It's
TNG.
not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay. All right, so hey, let's rank them. Okay, so shrimp is the best. And then
the frogs.
frog, the TNG, and then is it the fish or the leaves?
Sweet potato leaves.
Sweet potato leaves, and then
the fish.
and then the fish. So
Right.
there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taiwanese food.
Taiwanese food.
A little taste of Taiwanese food. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you very, very much for watching, and thank you for trying the foods.
Thank you, Brian.
And I know you're going to be trying a bunch more as when you're here, right?
Right.
You'll be definitely trying some more. So stay tuned for that, guys. And again, check out her channel, please.
Don't forget to like Brian's video, give it a thumbs
Thank
up,
you. Thank
follow,
you.
subscribe, and comment because
Absolutely.
we do appreciate that.
The only way we grow is with help from the viewers. So
Exactly.
please. Bye-bye.
Bye.